Every kitchen needs three types of lighting: ambient lighting for the overall space, task lighting for counters and other work areas, and accent lighting. Here I'm going to show how to add accent lighting to a kitchen along the tops of some cabinets without having to call an electrician. I'm going to be using LED battery-powered lights. That's important. Get a set of battery-powered lights. This runs off of 3 AA batteries. It's 20 lights. They cost about $5, less than $5 for an entire strand. And if you look up here, you'll see I installed one strand earlier. For this string of cabinets, I'm going to put in 2 sets of lights. One's already in place, which I put along the wall. Then this set of lights, I'm going to put right behind the crown molding, which again is a nice, soft glow of lights along the whole run of cabinets. And all you need to do is click on the switch, and these are on a timer, a 6-hour timer. So if you put them on at 4 in the afternoon, they'll stay on until 10 o'clock at night and click themselves off and come back on the next afternoon. And what you end up with is a nice soft glow of light along the wall and over the top of the ceiling.